In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search your active eBay listings. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting on eBay, efficiently managing and finding your active listings is essential for a smooth selling experience. So, let's dive right into it and walk through the process to ensure you're on top of your eBay selling game. To begin, open up your web browser and head over to ebay.com. Once the page loads, you'll want to log into your account using your credentials. Remember, you have to be logged in to access your specific selling information. So, if you're not already signed in, go ahead and do that now. It ensures that the platform recognizes you and presents the correct information tied to your account. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the home page. Here, direct your attention to the top right corner where you will see a menu. Click on Sell, which will navigate you to your seller dashboard. The Sell tab is crucial as it's your command center for all things related to your selling activities on eBay. It's where you manage your inventory, create new listings, and review your sales metrics, among other things. Once on your seller dashboard, you'll see several tabs at the top, but your focus should be on the one titled Listings. Hover your mouse over it, and a drop-down menu will appear. Now click on Active. This action will lead you to a page dedicated to all of your currently active listings. It's important to recall that your active listings are those items that are currently available for sale on eBay. Being able to see and manage these listings is key to making timely updates, corrections, or even withdrawing items if necessary. Now you're on the active listings page, and this is where you can see every listing that's live on the site. Each listing provides detailed information, including titles, prices, views, and any bids for auction items. This page can act as a real-time dashboard for your store's performance. If you have many listings, you might want to use the search and filter functions on this page to quickly locate a particular item or group of items. Simply use the search bar or filters to narrow down your results, making it easier to perform bulk actions or monitor specific products. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've unlocked the ability to swiftly access and review your active listings on eBay, ensuring your selling process is not just effective, but also efficient. Thank you for watching, and feel free to leave any questions or comments if something wasn't clear. Happy selling!